Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a header banner at the top of your WordPress website even if your theme doesn't support it. It's a really simple process and provides an additional functionality on your website. So let's get started. I'll show you the website first. This is a test website that I've created. I want a header banner to appear at the top here. For that, log in into your dashboard, hover on the plugins on the left side and click on Add New Plugin button. Here on the library, search for bulletins. You'll see this plugin here. Click on install now and once installed, hit activate. So we have installed the plugin and we can click skip on the first step. Here you'll see a button named add my first bulletin. Click on this button and it will take you to this page. Here you can provide a name for your bulletin if you want. And also you can decide where the bulletin comes up, at the top of the website or at the bottom of the website. Now here in this field, you can provide the text that you want to display. Also, if you want to display a different text on the mobile devices, you can provide that here. So let me show you. Once done, scroll up, activate it and click on publish bulletin. Now that our bulletin is published, let me reload the site. Here, as you can see, our bulletin is visible. Also, you'll notice that if you scroll down, the banner does not stick to the top. So what we want to do is make it sticky so that it stays here. Now let me show you how you can do that. Go back to your plugin, click on the display options here. Under the scroll type, make it sticky, click save. Go back to your website and reload. Now when we scroll down, the banner stays up here. So majority of our work is done here. But let's say if you want to add a link to this banner, then how can we do that? Let me show you. Go back to your plugin and on messages. Now let's say I want to add a link to the word desktop here. So I can do that very easily. We just have to add an anchor tag. If you are not familiar with this, you can copy paste the code from the description below. Here in ahref, I'll provide the URL. And for this example, I'm just giving google.com. Hit save. Go back, hit reload. Now you can see that we have a link here. If I click on this link, I'll be redirected to google.com. Let me go back. Now once we click this link, the new websites open in the same tab. Let's say if you want to open it on a different tab, then that can be easily done. Go back to your code. Here, type target equal to blank. Like this. Hit save. Go back to your website and reload. Now once we click this button, the new website would open in a different tab, like this. Also, since we have given a different text for the mobile version, let's test that as well. So let me open up the mobile version. Hit reload. And you can see that the text has been changed and also there is no link here. Let's say we want to add a link to this as well. So we can easily do that. Go back to your text, copy your tag, paste it here, provide the closing tab, and here you can give a different URL if you want or keep it the same, up to you. Let's go back, hit reload, and here we have a link. If we click on this, the link opens in a new tab. Hit close. Let's go back. Here we have an option to customize the look of our bulletin. Click on design and change the background color if you want. I'll pick something dark, and for the font color, I'll take white. Let's say we want the text on our desktop to be a little bit bigger. So we can provide the number here. 16 is the default. Let's put in 24. I think this looks good. Hit save. Go back and reload. So our text color for the banner has changed, but the text size for the mobile version is still the same as before. This is because we have not changed it for the mobile version. Now let me show you on the desktop. Now here on the desktop version, you can see that our text is bigger than before. Now let's go back. So these are the basic changes that are allowed in the free version. If you want more customizations, you can upgrade the plugin. So that was all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and leave your questions down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.